Don't you just love lemons? They make me happy. Even more is lemon essential oil. Did you know it takes 75 lemons to make 1 bottle of lemon essential oil? That's a lot. It's super concentrated. So this is the perfect essential oil for spring cleaning because that's on my mind right now. What about you? So lemon, start off by putting several drops in your diffuser because it uplifts your spirit. It'll get you in a happy mood to clean. It also refreshes any stinky, stale areas. So put some in that diffuser. Okay, for spring cleaning, this is a super degreaser. Add several drops to any of your cleaners. Of course, I recommend Thieves Cleaner. And you can add some with baking soda to make a scrub. It's perfect for getting soap scum off your shower door or in the bathtub. I even use it to get spots off walls. Is perfect for any sticky, gummy, or stickers that you cannot get off. You could just add a few drops and use your finger to wipe it right off. Lemon is perfect even for stains on your clothes. It could be a spot remover. You can add a little bit of dish soap and this and get stains off. I love this to make a carpet refresher with baking soda and lemon, or even a room spray or linen spray, maybe with some lavender. Grab your lemon oil and get cleaning in an all natural way.